Hello, and welcome to a special episode of World Ain't So Big. This is the new series called World School. The World Ain't So Big School. Starring Teacher, me and Rosa's son, Jelly Bean, oh yeah, and Fuchsia and Orca's son, Shamu! Hi, everybody!
Yeah, go Shamu!
And your host, Super Well. Now I'll bring you to the show. Oh! Hi, Shamu and Bean. So, isn't school starting today?
Yep. I don't want to.
Of course it is. But I'm not sure what time it starts. I'm pretty sure it's starting now.
I don't want to go to school!
But if you don't go to school, Shamu, then you won't be able to own a restaurant when you grow up.
You know, I never thought of that. Great idea, Grandma.
Let's go, Mommy. Okay, why don't you guys get in the back and I'll drive you to school. That's a great idea. This is where we get off. Whoa! It's Shamu and Bean and Rosa. Oh my gosh! Calm your jelly beans, everyone. The superstars have arrived.
Woo! My heroes!
Bye, guys.
Bye, Grandma.
Please take your seats, Shamu and Bean. Is it? Yes, Bean.
I thought it was Jelly Bean.
Yes, that's my full name, but I go by Bean. Okay, well, since you all are considered high-level mathematicians, we will start you off with an advanced problem. What is 2 plus 2?
I know!
Everybody! I know!
But I know more!
I know!
I know!
What is it? Oh, yeah? No, oh yeah. Would you like another try? Yeah, it is 5. No. Would you like another try? Oh yeah. Yeah, it is 4.000000001. Close. Oh yeah, but no.
Please try, please.
I would like to answer this question. Okay, Bean. It is 4. That's correct. Good job. Now, here's one of our most advanced questions that we only ask to our highest level mathematicians. What is 0 plus 1?
Me. I know.
Oh, gee, this is a hard question. I don't know if I can figure it out.
I know.
I know the answer to this question.
Yeah, right.
Okay, oh yeah. The answer is 4. No, oh yeah. Would you like another try? The answer is 2. No, oh yeah. Would you like another try?
No. I have the correct answer for every question, and I'm not letting you get for every answer. He's gonna be wrong, you know that.
Okay, what's the answer to 1,246,391 minus 72?
1,206,300.
Wow!
321? you.
Oh my gosh! If you get a question wrong, then your best friend is gonna get beat up. Take your seat, Shamu.
No!
Or I will give you detention.
I don't care. Fine.
You have to.
I'm a 3-year-old. You can't give me detention. My mommy won't let you.
Yeah, well, I'm 40.
Yeah, well, I don't care.
It doesn't matter what your mom
Yeah,
says.
well, you're old.
I know your great grandpa.
So what?
And he'll kill you.
No, you won't.
Just like I will.
You're threatening to kill me? Oh, you're a horrible teacher.
Thank you very much. Okay. Oh yeah. What is 2 plus 2? You only get one answer to this question, so choose wisely. 1. Okay. Granny, what is 1,246,391 minus 72?
3. Help me!
Okay. Bean, what is the answer to 1 plus 1? 2.5. You guys are so stupid! Die, all of you! Die! I'm gonna teach you numbers!
No!
I'm gonna kill you! Okay, that's enough, lady. And you too, Shamu. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough, Shamu. I'm gonna punish you. I'm gonna punish you. I will murder you. Okay, we're taking you to the cuckoo hut. Class dismissed, everyone. You can leave. You can leave now, guys. Class dismissed. Oh yeah, class